Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And here is, let me first tell you the reason I make this video. If this video reaches to 5,000 views, I am giving away the microphone I am right now using for recording. So here I am using the microphone for recording. I am 1 foot away from it. Now I am much closer. Now about 2 feet away from it. I use a brush. Okay, so I have some trouble with iMovie editing. So the first you will hear the sound with the microphone, and then without microphone. And you can see the whole story. Thank you very, very much. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I got a feeling. I think this is a winner unboxing. I feel. Let's open it up. Ooh, I am running short of this package. Wow. Look at it. Raise it down a little bit. Oh my goodness. This is exactly what I want. I got a message from this company, TONOR, and said, can you do a review? I said, yes, why not? So if I would like, they have different kind of a tripod or something, but I really like this style. And it's very good, very easy to clip on. So I'm very happy they send it here. And we will do a testing. Let's see. This is the mic. Looks quite decent mic. I hope this can be used for my cell phone. This is the connector. This goes to, this one goes to the mic. This one goes to USB on computer. And let me try if I can use it on my cell phone, connect it with my cell phone. See you later, alligator. Wow, that is TONOR Q9 studio microphone, USB to computer, mic, USB, hard drive. Can this be used? This must be good for gamers. that if you are a gamer, you can use your microphone. You can use your desktop, laptop, QuickTime player. We will try it very soon. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So here I am on my desktop, on my table, on my desk. Yeah, English word is desk. So we will install it. So this is a pop filter. You can connect it to it, and I already have it, so I will not need to do this part. I already settled this frame. I like it very much. One thing very important, why do I not put it on the table, this one? Why I not this one? Let's see, this is it, and I do not put it on the table because when you are on the table, you work, you paint, you turn over the page, there is vibration of the sound. It's quite sensitive, so I put it on a stool. We do not need to add up that. We will just connect this microphone. It should be put like this, I think. But I do not really need to use that part. This is for the table. This is for here. Oh. This is for here. Did I got it the other way? This is for here. Yes, this looks right. This is for here, and that one put on there. Let me just go along with the hard work there. Okay, so this must be for this. Oh, I can take this one out first. Okay, we got this one right. Turn it here. And we put this one in. And we can put a pop filter and this. Okay. Okay, we put it in. This one put in. Now we connect this. Now we connect it to my computer. Have to be this one. Yes, one of. So I connect to the the computer with the USB and this one here. Okay, we are connected. And you can, oh, it turns blue. Do you see it? It is working. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I was thinking life is not so easy and we can make life not that difficult. Okay, we will try to record and you can see the recording part. Okay, put here. And you can see the recording part. Let's do it. If they are connected, record. Oh, maybe not using it. So I will, oh, it's surely not using. You can see when I talk, just now we have done a video without the right input. Now we can see, you go to setting input, you will find MacBook display audio Q91. Use this one. See, now we will do it again. Okay, we will do a new recording. Okay, Q91. Okay, let's do the recording. Now. Oh, you need to see this. Okay, you need to see this. If I talk like this, my mouth was not close to here, there's no sound. It pick up the sound only there. I have a new brush. Okay, let's listen. We will see how it played out. Now, that's my hand touching it. Yeah. So that is it. See this. I am further away from it. That's my hand, my hand, my hand. If I talk like this, my mouth was not close to here, there's no sound. It pick up the sound only there. I have a new brush. So this is a brush sound, and then I screw. Okay, let's listen. Okay, that is it. Now you will hear before and after sound. Okay, I will do a voice over. Okay, let's do this. Now I am doing the recording without the microphone, and you will see how I do with the microphone. Okay, I will start a new recording. Let me have a cup of water. Okay, now you can see later on I will put this part as a voice over. Okay, ready, set. Did you see? Here is the microphone. Okay, I am doing here. Yeah. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I am using a microphone. This is a TONOR, TONOR. It's quite a shameless advertisement for them. They give me for free, so this is a loser unboxing. I would like to try it. And also, this one, if it reaches 5,000 views, I am ready to give it away for, we can do a draw. If we reach 5,000, I will send it to you. And for appreciation. Why 5,000? Because with 5,000 views, I think I can get $10 revenue from AdSense. That can cover up my shipping fee, around 10, 15. Anyway, it can cover up my shipping fee. And I am doing it, but I am not paying my money to, I'm just not that big. Okay, let's see if I do this. So my distance is around 1 foot, half a foot, 1 foot, around that distance. Okay, that's enough for it. Thank you very, very much. Let me know if you like the sound or not. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.